Hey everyone, so this is the official Amazon, in this case National Geographic case here for the Amazon Fire HD8 Plus, but all of them are basically the same, no matter if you have the 7, the HD8 Plus, the HD8, HD10, HD10 Plus. The cases are all basically the same, just different sizes here. So this is for HD8, HD8 Plus. I'm actually using a 2020 version of the case, but a 2022 version of the tablet itself. So the new one will fit in the old case, which is awesome. If you had the old one, you upgraded. So again, this is the National Geographic with the awesome McCall on it here. And then the back is National Geographic, a whole bunch of other stuff about it. So this is, besides from being very dirty, as you see here, is they decided to go with white. I don't understand why, when everything else is basically black. They decided to go with white. Is super duper dirty. Besides from that, even this side is actually nice and clean. Besides from that, it is in basically perfect shape, even after over 2 years of use. Again, this is from 2020. This is the 2022 tablet. But to get your tablet in there, it is super duper easy. So you have the camera hole punch right there. You have your camera there. Just make sure you're putting it in the correct way. Also too, you have the speakers. And then you have these little notches here for the speakers. Put it in there, press on down, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then these little speaker things here do actually kinda, when you have it like that, it does kind of redirect the sound to come more towards you. Otherwise, without that, it'd be, well, for one, getting blocked by this bit. But without this bit, it would just be going upward. Here it kind of comes more towards you. Makes it a little bit better. I don't know how much of a difference it really makes, but that is the point of that. To fold it up, again, you have your crease here. It literally just folds up. And then there is a magnet that attaches to the back of the case. Again, folds up. And then you have your little stand, which is very awesome. Now, it does not really work this way. And it doesn't really work that way. It really only works this one way. But with that said, I love these cases. These are by far like my favorite cases out of like any tablet ever. They're just so nice. It just nicely folds up. I use this when I go to sleep every night, so it's sitting right next to me in my bed, folded up. It doesn't fall over. It doesn't do anything like that. I love these cases very, very much. Again, these are like my favorite case of pretty much any tablet I've ever had. They nicely fold up. They do last actually a very long time. And then it folds up like that. It just works. Now it does not do, at least with the new model, at least mine doesn't seem to do the sleep wake. Where with the 2020 tablet, with the 2020 this, it did do that. But it might just be something I'm doing wrong with that one. But again, it just folds on up, attaches to the back. Like so with the magnet. It looks very nasty because it's white. But yeah, and you have a nice little stand. So, and then nice protection for it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.